channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like, share, and leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you today. We have an amazing and interesting video lined up for you. We're diving into the incredible benefits of drinking soursop tea. From boosting your immunity and improving digestive health to its anti-cancer properties and supporting weight loss, soursop tea is packed with goodness. We'll also discuss how it can help lower blood pressure, provide natural pain relief, regulate blood sugar levels, improve skin health, reduce stress and anxiety, and even boost cognitive function and memory. So, stick around as we explore why soursop tea might just become your new favorite drink. 1. Boosts immunity. Soursop tea, made from the leaves of the soursop tree, is a popular herbal drink known for its potential health benefits, especially boosting immunity. This tea is packed with antioxidants, which are substances that fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals can cause damage to your cells and weaken your immune system. By reducing this damage, antioxidants help your immune system stay strong and ready to tackle infections. One of the key compounds in soursop tea is called acetogenin. Studies have shown that acarogenins have antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. This means they reduce inflammation and fight viruses, both of which are crucial for a healthy immune response. Additionally, soursop tea is rich in vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant known for boosting immunity. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are the body's primary defense against infections. So drinking soursop tea can give your immune system an extra boost, helping you stay healthy and fight illnesses more effectively. Improves digestive health. All right, let's talk about how soursop tea can do wonders for your tummy. Soursop tea contains natural compounds that ease digestion. These compounds relax the muscles in your digestive tract, making it easier for food to move through and reducing that uncomfortable bloating feeling. Plus, soursop tea has fiber, which sweeps out any leftovers and keeps things tidy. Soursop tea also has antimicrobial properties. That means it can kill any harmful bacteria and keep your digestive system clean and healthy. Research has shown that soursop tea can target specific types of bacteria, like the ones that cause food poisoning or stomach infections. So not only does soursop tea help with digestion, but also acts as a protective shield, keeping your gut safe from invaders. With all these benefits packed into one delicious drink, it's no wonder soursop tea has been a go-to remedy for digestive woes for centuries. Why not give it a shot and tell me how things turn out? Anti-cancer properties. Soursop contains some pretty powerful compounds that researchers believe could fight against cancer. One of these compounds is innocuous acarogenins. They have been studied for their ability to target and destroy cancer cells, while leaving healthy cells unharmed. It's like they have a GPS that guides them straight to the troublemakers. But how does it work? Well, these acarogenins disrupt the production of ATP, which is like the energy currency of cells, specifically in cancer cells. Without ATP, cancer cells cannot survive. It's like cutting off their power supply, leaving them weak and vulnerable. Soursop tea also contains other compounds like quinolones and alkaloids, which have anti-cancer properties as well. They work by interfering with the growth and spread of cancer cells, kind of like putting up roadblocks to stop them in their tracks. Now, I'm not saying soursop tea is a miracle cure for cancer. However, studies have shown promising results, with some suggesting that soursop extract could slow down the growth of certain types of cancer cells. It's still early though, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits. 4. Supports weight loss. Soursop tea contains certain compounds that regulate your hunger hormones, making you feel fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to snack mindlessly or overeat during meals, which can really make a difference when trying to shed those extra pounds. Plus, Soursop tea has a unique flavor profile that can satisfy your cravings without the need for added sugars or artificial sweeteners. It has a slightly tangy taste with hints of sweetness, making it a refreshing alternative to sugary drinks or desserts. So instead of reaching for that candy bar or sugary coffee drink, you can sip some delicious Soursop tea and feel good about your choice. But wait, there's more. Studies suggest that certain compounds in Soursop tea actually help your body burn fat more efficiently. For example, one study found that Soursop extract increases the activity of enzymes involved in fat metabolism, potentially leading to greater fat burning. And let's not forget about hydration. Staying hydrated is key for overall health and weight management. And Soursop tea is a great way to up your fluid intake without adding extra calories. Lower blood pressure. Soursop tea contains compounds that relax your blood vessels. Your blood vessels are like little tubes that carry blood around your body. Sometimes, they can get all tense and tight, which makes it hard for blood to flow smoothly. But Soursop tea swoops in like a Zen master, calming those vessels and allowing blood to flow more freely. It's all thanks to compounds called alkaloids and flavonoids. These guys have been shown to have a relaxing effect on blood vessels, helping to lower blood pressure levels. Soursop tea also contains potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium balances out the effects of sodium in your body. When sodium levels are too high, it can cause your blood pressure to spike. But don't worry, potassium steps in like a superhero, keeping sodium in check and preventing those blood pressure spikes. 6. Natural pain relief. If you ever had one of those days where everything aches, you might want to give Soursop tea a try. Soursop leaves are packed with acerogenins and alkaloids, which have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Simply put, they help reduce inflammation, which is often the culprit behind pain and can even block pain signals in your body. When you drink Soursop tea, these compounds work by inhibiting the pain signals that your nerves send to your brain. This process is similar to how some pain medications work, but with Soursop tea, you are doing it the natural way. Plus, since Soursop tea is loaded with antioxidants, it helps reduce overall inflammation, making you feel more comfortable and at ease. And let's not forget the relaxing effect of sipping a warm cup of tea. The simple act of taking a moment for yourself, with the added benefit of pain-relieving compounds, can make a world of difference on those tough days. So next time you're feeling sore or achy, consider brewing some Soursop tea. It might just become your new favorite way to relax and find relief. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. When you drink Soursop tea, polyphenols work by enhancing insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone that helps your cells absorb sugar from your bloodstream to use as energy. If your cells are more sensitive to insulin, they can do this job better and keep your blood sugar levels more stable. But that's not all. Soursop tea also slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This means you would not experience those nasty spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels after meals. Instead, you get a more steady and sustained release of energy. Some studies are backing this up too. A study published in the journal Folia Medical Indonesian found that Soursop extract reduces blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. While we still need more research on humans to confirm these benefits, it is definitely a promising start. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 8. Improves skin health. Soursop tea is loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can help your skin look and feel amazing. One of the key players here is vitamin C. You've probably heard about how great vitamin C is for your skin, right? Well, Soursop tea has plenty of it. Vitamin C boosts collagen production. Collagen is this super important protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. More collagen means fewer wrinkles and fine lines. And who does not want that? But that's not all. The antioxidants in Soursop tea, like the ones we talked about earlier for boosting immunity, also work wonders for your skin. They fight free radicals, the molecules that can cause damage to your skin cells. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants prevent signs of aging and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your skin health, Soursop tea might just be the answer. Number 9. Reduces stress and anxiety. Have you ever had one of those days when everything just seemed too much to handle? Well, Soursop tea might be your new best friend. This tea is packed with compounds that have natural calming effects on your body and mind. One of the big players here is something called tryptophan. This is an amino acid that your body uses to produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate your mood. Higher serotonin levels mean you feel calmer and happier. Soursop tea also contains alkaloids and flavonoids. These compounds have sedative properties, which can help you unwind after a long day. They work by interacting with your brain's receptors, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. In a study published in the journal Metabolic Brain Disease, researchers found that Soursop extract had significant anti-anxiety effects in animal models. The study suggested that these effects were due to the presence of these calming compounds, which regulate the central nervous system. So next time you're feeling stressed out or anxious, try brewing a cup of Soursop tea. And there you have it, folks. Today, we've delved into the amazing and interesting benefits of drinking Soursop tea. We discussed how it boosts immunity, improves digestive health, and even has potential anti-cancer properties. We also explored how it supports weight loss, lowers blood pressure, provides natural pain relief, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Not to mention, it's great for your skin, reduces stress and anxiety, and enhances cognitive function and memory. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about natural health remedies, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this content and share it with your friends and family. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. And make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.